everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. In this video, we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 9th of February 2022. So, these series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Recently, Rahul Gandhi launched Rajiv Gandhi Grameen Bhumi Krishi Mazdoor Nyay Yojana for which state? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Chhattisgarh. So, recently the Rajiv Gandhi Grameen Bhumi Krishi Mazdoor Nyay Yojana has launched by Rahul Gandhi in Chhattisgarh. Apart from that, the scheme was launched for the landless laborers in order to grant them financial assistance. The fund of rupees 200 crores were sanctioned to the scheme in the budget of financial year 2021 to 2022. Okay. So now question number 2. Who was appointed as chairman and managing director at the state-run carrier shipping corporation of India Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Binesh Kumar Tyagi. So recently, the Captain Binesh Kumar Tyagi was appointed as chairman and managing director at the state-run Carrier Shopping Corporation of India Limited. It is a PSU under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. He was replaced H.K. Joshi. Do you remember the headquarters of Shipping Corporation of India Limited situated in Mumbai? Okay, so now question number 3. Who among the following was the first to launch the Capacity Building Commission Innovation in Public Administration program? So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Dr. Jitendra Singh. So, recently, the Union Minister of State for Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, inaugurated the Innovation in Public Administration program of Capacity Building Commission. The program belongs to Mission Karma Yogi. It will help to identify innovation that are successful in public service by civil servant. Apart from that, the Capacity Building Commission Knowledge Repository will be framed, which will be accessed by all for the successful innovation in India. The portal was also launched, which will be available to access up to 5th March 2022 for the employees to share their innovative ideas performed by them. Apart from that, the annual health of civil service reports will be released for the first time. Okay, so now question number 4. SIDBI has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with which firm to collaborate in the area of cybersecurity, AI or ML and blockchain in India's banking sector? So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is CDAC. The full form of CDAC is Center for Development of Advanced Computing. So recently, the Small Industry Development Bank of India signed MOU with the Center for Development of Advanced Computing. They have signed MOU to work for innovation and make use of emerging technology. They will work together in the area of cybersecurity, AI or ML, blockchain, etc. Apart from that, they will grant training and in exchange capacity building for banking sector of India. Do remember the headquarters of SIDBI situated in Lucknow in UP. Okay, so now question number 5. Which organization published the Global Digital Skills Index for 2022? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Salesforce. So, recently the 2022 Global Digital Skill Index was released by the Salesforce, which is a customer relationship management platform. The index highlights the increasing global digital skill crisis and requirement to tackle them and take appropriate action. Among the 19 countries, India has the index highest digital readiness score. India has scored 63 out of 100 on the index. The average global readiness score was 33 out of 100 and the survey of 23,000 workers in 19 countries was conducted. Apart from that, the index observed the 3 major skill gaps in the current edition of the index. The gaps are generation skill gap, leadership gaps, and workforce skill gaps. In India, 72% of the respondents are actively taking the training and learning digital skills in order to make them capable for future work. Apart from that, 66% of respondents feel the requirement of equipped sources to learn digital skills. Okay, so now question number 6. Which state has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Athar Energy to create 1000 charging stations for two-wheelers electric vehicles. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Karnataka. So recently the government of Karnataka has signed an MOU with Athar Energy and electric supply companies. The MOU was signed to develop 1000 charging stations for the charging of two-wheel electric vehicle. The free charging service facility will be provided by Athar Energy. Apart from that, the Athar Energy and Electric Supply Company will be the nodal agency for the execution of the MOU. All the government agency will coordinate with Athar Energy and Electric Supply Company and will share their expertise in setting up charging stations. The MOU was signed by CEO and co-founder of the Athar Energy. Okay, so now question number 7. Which payment bank has recently joined with ICICI Lombard General Insurance to offer cyber insurance? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Airtel Payment Bank. So recently the ICICI Lombard General Insurance has partnered with Airtel Payment Bank to offer cyber insurance to customer of the bank. This cyber insurance policy provides financial protection to the customer against potential financial frauds relating to the banking, credit or debit card, identify theft, and also an email fraud and etc. Apart from that, Airtel Payment Bank customer can purchase this cyber insurance policy within minutes using the Airtel Thanks app. Okay, so now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. The headquarters of Airtel Payment Bank situated in New Delhi. Okay, so now question number 8. Recently, the government of India has done a conversion switch transaction of its security with the Reserve Bank of India for an amount of dash crores. So the correct answer of this question is 1,19,701. So recently the government of India has done conversion switch transaction of its security with the Reserve Bank of India for an amount of 1,19,701 crores. It is the face value. Apart from that, the transaction involved buying back securities that are being mature in financial year 2022 to 2023 and financial year 2024 to 2025 from the RBI, and also issuing fresh securities for the equivalent market value to make the transaction cash and neutral. Apart from that, the transaction were carried out using financial benchmark India Private Limited prices as of the January 28, 2022, and the government of India undertakes switch operation with RBI and also with market participant to smoothen the liability profiles as well as for the market development. Now question number 9. Which company signed a rupees 3,131.82 crores contract with the Indian Army to manufacture and delivers Konkurs-Manti-tank guided missiles? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Bharat Dynamics. So recently, Bharat Dynamic rose 7.51% to rupees 524 after the company signed a contract of worth rupees 3,131.82 crores for manufacture and supply of Konkurs-M anti-tank guided missiles to the Indian Army. Basically, the Konkurs-M is the second generation mechanized anti-tank guided missiles to destroy armed vehicle equipped with explosive reactive armor. The contract will be executed in 3 years. With the latest contract, the net order book position of Bharat Dynamics stand at rupees 11,400 crores. Okay, so now question number 10. Who was recently appointed as Honeywell President of India Operation? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Rajesh. So recently Honeywell announced the appointment of Rajesh as the country president for India. He assumed office on 7th February 2022 and will be based in Bangalore. As the country leader, Rajesh will spearhead Honeywell's India strategy that focusing on company's growth pillars of shaping and diversify portfolio of the products and solutions to the Indian market, deriving key customer engagement and build the talent and leadership pipeline for the India. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you like this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.